Hey guys, it's Anton Voroniuk and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of SkillsBooster Academy. I already know that you have finished your first digital marketing course, and I will help you to find how to get more courses, just leaving the reviews to the previous one. Now you need to go to Udemy, to the My Learning tab. Here you will find all your courses or just the first course that you already finished. And here you have option to leave the review. In my case, the rating is already finished, but now you can give me 4 stars, 5 stars, 3 stars, depends on how you rank my course, and give detailed feedback of what did you like in course and what you didn't like. So you can tell about the quality of audio, video, what topics were the most crucial for you, and what topics you would like to find it in future. So just leave the review. After that, click save button and make a screenshot and send it to my email antonskillsbooster.net. After you will share this feedback, I will send you the next coupon code and you can start learning the next digital marketing profession. So I will be happy to see you on the next course. Please share your feedback and see you.